This is a Doraemon.
What do you have? It's a nice present.
Let's open it. Yoshio. Here, open here. Okay, okay.
Thank you, Miami. Thank you, stepdaughters. Thank you, hon. We're having fun.
That's good. Here. What's in there? Oh, ooh.
What is it, Alessandra?
Oh, how nice.
What is it?
Hello, kitty.
Kitty.
Let's see. It's hard. Here's you open it. Here. Pull it. Yoisho. Oh, good. Here. Oh, yoisho. Hi. Go. Hi, go. Yoisho. Here.
Pull it up.
There we go. Okay. What's it? Look.
Oh! Is that Hello Kitty?
Hello Kitty.
Is that Hello Kitty, Alessandra?
Yes. Okay. Oh, another Hello Kitty. Ooh. Okay, let's open this one. Oh, here. Yoisho. Right. Open it. Pull it. Ooh, what's in it? Oh. What's this? Oh, it's a book. It's a book. Where is the open? Go right here. You love this one, Asa-chan. Here. Oh. See, open it. Oh. What we want to put it on? Let's put something on. Okay. What's this one? Do you want Obento?
Obento bako no.
Lunchbox.
She likes to
It's a
sing.
cupcake?
Alessandra, can you say domo? Domo arigato.
Arigato wa?
Arigato.
Asa-chan, arigato yutte.
It's perfect.
Can you say thank you?
See, Asa-chan, here. Let's put this one, pancake, over here. Oh, here's a cupcake.
Say thank you for my present. Okay, give the camera a kiss. Give the camera a kiss. Come over here. Alessandra, give the camera a kiss. Over here. Look at Mama. Here, Alessandra, give the camera a kiss.
Camera kiss.
Thank you. Say domo arigato.
What's this?
She's going to have a lot of fun. Thank you.